Hello. Today I will tell you what the battery saver active warning message seen in vehicle means, why it occurs, and how you can solve this problem. If you want to continue to see useful content like this, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and like our video. Let's get started now. First of all, what does the battery saver active mean? This message indicates that your vehicle's electrical system was detected low voltage and that the battery charge level is not sufficient. The vehicle may disable some electrical component to protect the battery. This is especially seen when the alternator is not working properly or the battery level is critical low. So, what could be the causes of this error? The first reason could be a weak or dying battery. If your battery is old or cannot hold enough charge, the vehicle may give this warning. The second reason is an alternative failure. The alternator is the part that charges at the battery, and if it is not working properly, the battery cannot be charged sufficiently. The third reason could be loose or worn belts, connection cables for fuse problems. If the alternator belt is loose or broken, it will not be able to provide sufficient charge. Now, how can you fix this problem? First, you can measure the battery voltage while starting your car. The battery voltage, which should normally be around 13.5 to 14.5 volt when the engine is running. If it is below these values, there may be a problem with your battery or alternator. Second, check the battery terminals and clean them. Corroded or loose connection can prevent the battery from working properly. If the connections are loose, tighten them, and if they are dirty, clean them. Third, inspect the alternator belt. If the belt is worn or loose, it may be need to replace. You can also have a technician check if the alternator is working properly. If you still get the battery saver active message after doing these checks, your battery probably needs to be replaced. You may want to be consider replacing it, especially if you are using a battery that is older than 5 years. As a result, this warning message indicates a problem with the battery, alternator, or electrical connections. By following these steps, you can either fix the problem yourself or get professional support to make your vehicle safer.